This I'm going to show you the Advantage Manufacturing T-bar mount. This is a great way to mount 2 service carts to your service truck at the same time. Besides being able to mount 2 of the carts made by Advantage Manufacturing, you can also use one side for a vacuum system like the Hammerhead, PowerVac, or Riptide cart. So installing the T-bar mount is very easy. You just need a class 3 tow hitch installed on your truck. Then you would just take the T-bar mount and slide it into the receiver. So now all you have to do is put the pin through the T-bar mount. I also recommend using a locking pin. It is also a good idea to put an anti-wobble plate on, and I've spoken with Advantage Manufacturing about shipping one of these with a T-bar mount. So before I tighten it, I'll show you the difference. Here it is without the anti-wobble plate installed. And here it is installed. So once you have the T-bar mount on your service vehicle, you can either put a hitch on one side with a drop mount, and you can use the Advantage service cart, or again, as I mentioned, you can use the other side for the transport rack for the Riptide, Hammerhead, or PowerVac, or you can use both sides for a different Advantage cart by having 2 hitches. So whether you're using a drop mount with a hitch or the transport rack for your vacuum system, you can secure it in by tightening this bolt on the side. So I'm going to mount the Riptide on one side and then the service cart on the other. And I'll show you how it looks on the back of the truck with the T-bar mount. So now you can take 2 service carts out on your route. And you can also see here that the license plate is visible to law enforcement here from the back. And here's a look at my truck with the PowerVac and also with the service cart on back. And here's a look at some of the other service carts by Advantage Manufacturing. You have the PowerVac here, then you have of course the professional service cart on the back, and then you have the bottom feeder cart to the right. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.